Another so-called self-made businesswoman, Odell, claimed she could turn seawater into drinking water. That caught Lisa's attention, and she couldn't help but interview her. But during the interview, she accidentally revealed that the town had a billionaire, Mr. Burns. Odell immediately went to a trade show to ask Burns for funding. Even though the town was in the middle of a natural disaster, Burns still turned her down, so Odell started harassing him in every way possible. Eventually, she managed to win him over. Burns went all in and completely transformed the nuclear plant. It would now serve as her company's headquarters. He even introduced all his old friends to Odell. Now everyone had new jobs, and the whole plant had a fresh new vibe. Everyone seemed thrilled. No. But no one expected Burns to marry Odell. Their marriage became the talk of the town. Still, Homer and the others complained that people were getting fired every day, and they were banned from talking about work at home. Even the professor in charge of R&D had never seen the actual machine. Carl started to have doubts, and the very next day, he disappeared. This sparked a wave of discussion online. Then, at Odell's birthday party, Burns bought Twitter as a gift for her. But soon, a major scandal broke out. The company's stock tanked. Odell refused to give any interviews. Meanwhile, Burns discovered that Homer was the whistleblower. They tried to take legal action against him, but Homer dodged every attempt. Then Homer received a mysterious text. They found Carl locked up in a lab, and learned the truth behind the machine. It was masking the saltiness of seawater with illegal toxic soda. Now they planned to test the product at an elementary school. Homer rushed over to stop it and even showed Burns how awful the water really was. Burns freaked out and tried to put a stop to it, but it was too late. Luckily, that turned out to be just a hypothetical scenario. Still, Odell refused to admit the truth, and she ended up in jail. Turns out, Odell's betrayal really did break Burns's heart.